Best 4K TVs. Are you looking for the best 4K TVs? In this video we will look at some of the best 4K TVs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Samsung S95F OLED. Experience the future of home entertainment with the Samsung S95F QD OLED 4K Smart TV, Samsung's most advanced OLED television designed to deliver outstanding performance in every category. Powered by cutting-edge QD OLED technology, this premium TV produces breathtaking picture quality with incredibly vivid colors, perfect accuracy, and deep, inky blacks. Bright highlights shine brilliantly, making HDR movies, shows, and games look realistic and immersive, especially in home theater environments. Unlike traditional OLED TVs, the S95F features a matte screen finish and excellent brightness, allowing it to perform exceptionally well even in bright rooms. Reflections are minimized, so you can enjoy clear visuals whether you're watching during the day or at night. Wide viewing angles ensure the picture remains consistent and vibrant from almost any seat in the room, making it ideal for family viewing in larger spaces. The included Slim 1 Connect box keeps cables organized and out of sight for a clean, modern setup. Gamers will appreciate its 4 HDMI 2.1 ports with support for 4K at up to 165 Hz, delivering ultra-smooth gameplay with next-gen consoles and high-performance PCs. Support for VRR technologies ensures tear-free visuals, while near-instant response times provide sharp motion clarity during fast action scenes. Although Dolby Vision isn't supported, the TV's exceptional brightness and HDR10+ compatibility still deliver stunning HDR performance. Available in 55-inch, 65, 77, and 83 sizes, the Samsung S95F is the ultimate 4K TV for movies, gaming, and everyday entertainment. Number 2. Samsung S90F OLED. Enjoy premium OLED performance at a more accessible price with the Samsung S90F QD OLED 4K Smart TV. Designed to deliver exceptional picture quality, this TV combines advanced QD OLED technology with vibrant colors, perfect black levels, and impressive HDR brightness. The result is a stunning viewing experience where colors appear rich and lifelike, and contrast is incredibly precise. Bright highlights stand out beautifully, while deep blacks enhance detail in dark scenes, making it an excellent choice for movies, shows, and gaming, especially in home theater environments. The S90F features a glossy screen finish that enhances perceived contrast and color depth. While it doesn't reach the same SDR brightness levels as Samsung's flagship models, it still performs very well in moderately lit rooms, with effective reflection handling that minimizes distractions. Its wide viewing angles ensure consistent image quality from virtually any seat, making it ideal for family rooms and larger viewing areas. Built with gamers in mind, the S90F includes 4 HDMI 2.1 ports that support 4K resolution at up to 144 Hz. This allows you to fully experience smooth, responsive gameplay on modern consoles and gaming PCs. Variable refresh rate (VRR) support helps eliminate screen tearing, while near-instant pixel response times ensure crystal-clear motion during fast-paced action. Although Dolby Vision isn't supported, HDR10+ delivers impressive HDR performance with enhanced brightness and detail. Available in sizes from 42-inch to 83, the Samsung S90F QD OLED TV offers premium visuals, powerful gaming features, and excellent overall value for immersive home entertainment. Number 3. TCL QM8K. Upgrade your home entertainment with the TCL QM8K Mini LED 4K Smart TV, one of the best performing mini LED televisions available today. Designed to deliver exceptional brightness, deep contrast, and vibrant colors, this TV provides an immersive viewing experience for movies, sports, and gaming. Its advanced mini LED backlight with precise local dimming creates incredibly deep blacks that come close to OLED-level performance, while minimizing halo effects around bright highlights and subtitles. The QM8K stands out with its outstanding brightness, making it an excellent choice for bright rooms. Its strong reflection handling reduces glare, allowing you to enjoy clear and vivid visuals even during daytime viewing. HDR content looks especially impressive, with brilliant highlights, rich contrast, and lifelike colors that enhance every scene. Whether you're watching movies or live sports, the wide color range ensures bold and realistic images. Gamers will appreciate the TV's HDMI 2.1 support, with two ports capable of handling 4K at 144 Hz and even 1080p at 288 Hz for ultra-smooth gameplay. Variable refresh rate (VRR) support reduces screen tearing, while fast response times help minimize motion blur during fast action. It's a great match for modern gaming consoles and high-performance gaming PCs. With support for Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and premium picture processing, the TCL QM8K delivers a cinematic HDR experience. Available in large sizes from 65-inch to 98, this mini LED TV is perfect for home theaters, bright living rooms, and gamers seeking powerful performance and incredible value. Number 4. TCL QM7K. The TCL QM7K Mini LED 4K Smart TV delivers impressive performance, advanced gaming features, and excellent value, making it a great choice for movies, sports, and gaming. Powered by mini LED backlighting and advanced local dimming, this TV produces deep blacks, strong contrast, and vibrant colors that bring your favorite content to life. While it doesn't reach the same performance level as higher-end models, it still offers bold contrast and immersive picture quality, especially in dark scenes and home theater environments. With excellent peak brightness, the QM7K performs very well in bright rooms. Its strong brightness helps reduce glare and ensures clear, vivid visuals even during daytime viewing. HDR content looks impactful, with bright highlights and rich colors that enhance movies, shows, and games. The wide color range delivers vibrant and realistic images, making every scene more engaging and lifelike. Gamers will appreciate the TV's modern gaming capabilities, including two HDMI 2.1 ports that support 4K resolution at 144 Hz and 1080p at 288 Hz. Variable refresh rate (VRR) technology helps eliminate screen tearing, while fast response times ensure smooth, clear motion during fast-paced gameplay. This makes the QM7K an excellent choice for gaming consoles and high-performance PCs. With support for Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and multiple size options from 55-inch to 98, the TCL QM7K offers outstanding versatility. Whether you're building a home theater or upgrading your living room, this mini LED TV delivers premium features and reliable performance at a competitive price. Number 5. TCL QM6K. The TCL QM6K Mini LED 4K Smart TV is an excellent budget-friendly option that combines modern gaming features with solid picture quality. Built with mini LED backlighting and local dimming, this TV delivers deep blacks, good contrast, and pleasing colors that make movies, shows, and games look immersive and enjoyable. While it doesn't reach the same performance level as higher-end models, it still offers strong overall visuals that stand out in its price range. The QM6K performs well in both dark and moderately bright rooms. Its SDR brightness is strong enough for everyday viewing, helping reduce glare and maintain clear picture quality during daytime use. HDR content looks good overall, with balanced contrast and natural colors, even if highlights aren't as intense as premium models. Colors remain vibrant and accurate, ensuring an engaging viewing experience across all types of content. For gamers, the QM6K includes two HDMI 2.1 ports with support for 4K resolution at 144 Hz and 1080p at 288 Hz. Variable refresh rate (VRR) technology reduces screen tearing, while fast response times help keep motion smooth and clear. This makes it a great match for modern gaming consoles and gaming PCs. With Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and multiple size options ranging from 55-inch to 98, the TCL QM6K offers impressive versatility. Whether you're upgrading your living room or building a gaming setup, this mini LED TV delivers excellent features, reliable performance, and outstanding value.